yes, Candace. Padfoot and Remus are chilling out over here. I'm not messing with Padfoot because, you know, let sleeping dogs lie, but here's Remus because he's so cute. Having a bad hair day, like me. But I'll give him a squeeze anyway. He's going to sit right there and help. Or not. Alright, so we got, you've seen the previous video, we unboxed our Bambox expansion pack from it. This one I am really excited about. It is a signed item from one of my most favoriteest TV series. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it is Tales from the Crypt. There was a couple signed items from John Kassir. I can't talk today. One was a skull, the other was a cleaver. I thought, you know, we already have the machete and the little hatchet. So I decided to go with the skull. I love skulls. So I went with that one. And it has 2 pins, and I think that's it. So let's get on in this. Ooh, I almost stabbed myself one day. Oh, and I gotta sneeze. Well, I really don't need to go off with that in my hand and up by my face. That would not be fun. This video will get very bloody very fast. Oh. Lay down, Padfoot. Probably should have opened this before I started the video, so it's not wanting to open. There we go. Alright. Padfoot, quit. Lay down. So let's start with the pins. Just see away. I did see pictures of it already, you know, again, people and their spoilers. And I also did see all the work that went into him signing these skulls and then these cleavers. Poor guy, I mean, seriously. I so really had to have this expansion pack. While I'm not really a huge fan of the box of the Bambox per se and the regular boxes, I really like their expansion packs when it's franchises or actors or just certain fandoms that I like. Typically they do a pretty good job, and I've gotten a few and I've been really happy with them. So so this was definitely another one I really had to have. Alright, so there were 400 of these. And this is the first pin. Love the Crypt Keeper. I still watch Tales from the Crypt all the time. My favorite episodes are Death of Some Salesman. And that's the one right here where Tim Curry plays 3 roles in that, along with Ed Begley Jr. My favorite episode, and my other favorite episode is The Reluctant Vampire with Malcolm McDowell. We all know how I feel about Malcolm McDowell. And there's the other pin. Alright, so the artist for these pins is Nick Kokosa. Sorry if I butchered your name. Oh, wow. So, of him in the tuxedo, focus. Well, he's not going to focus, but y'all saw him already. See if I can focus on the other side, though. I got a 1 of 400. I've never gotten a low number. I mean, it just really doesn't matter to me. I'm just grateful to have something if it's something I like and I got a few extra bucks to grab one, you know. I'm just grateful to have it. And the number on this one is $294. That's the one of him playing cards. And then we've got our COA. This skull replica has been hand-signed by John Kassir, who voiced the Crypt Keeper in the Tales from the Crypt. It was signed during a private signing with the bandbox. And so I got 171 out of 250. There's his signature on top. Bam sticker on the back. That's what the skull looks like. It's a nice skull. It's very detailed. I like the feel of it. It doesn't feel like the cheap plastic ones you get at Halloween. So that is really cool. I like this, and it's decorative. It fits in with my motif, my home decor. So I really, really like that. Since I can't ever get Tim Curry's autograph on something, which, well, I already have his autograph, so I'm okay with that. But I couldn't ever get Tim Curry to autograph this, but I'm trying to be able to go to Days That Dead Atlanta again in February, and Malcolm McDowell was there, and I've met Malcolm McDowell once before, and he, like I said, he's in one of my favorite episodes of Tales from the Crypt, so I could add this to the list of having him sign something. But that's a decent idea. So, but I really like this skull. I'm really glad I got it, because I didn't know what the quality would be like on it. So, yeah, I'm definitely happy with it. So, but that is it for this video. I lost my dog. I don't know where he went. Guess he's either in the kitchen or in bed. So, whatever, I guess Papa doesn't want to say goodbye. So, Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I cannot talk today. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little notification bell in the description box below to be notified of when we have new content posted on our channel. And hopefully next time I won't be so sleepy and tired and exhausted and stumbling like I am. But that's it for this video. Thank goodness. Peace.